Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ken Aboda. Welcome back. Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Chantal. Hi, I'm Nikki.
By the way guys, today I'm with my friends, close friends. I guess you know her naman because dun sa last vid ko, andun siya and her name is Chantal. You know, remember Chantal the idiot? And she is Nikki. So today's video, it's kind of I'm so excited again. I'm so excited for this video because this video is kind of like iba eh. It's iba because it's the first time in this channel gagawa kami ng challenge, which is Who Knows Me Better challenge. Mag-a-answer ako ng question and hinuhulaan nila. Kung sinong may maling sagot, is papakainin sila ng marshmallow, which is here's the marshmallow and then yun. I guess yun na ba? So yeah, without further ado, let's get started onto the video. So, first question. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
So, first question. What is my favorite color? Sige na.
Black and white. Peach.
Oh God, Nikki!
Parang tato, hindi na
Siya po nakakuha ng tamang sagot because favorite color is peach and rose gold. So Nikki, face the consequence. You have to eat marshmallow. Kailangan ko na mag-isubo sa'yo or what? Ito na lang. Here we go. So, the second question is, my age. What's my age right now? Napakadali lang ito, di ba? Okay na? Okay.
Huwag mo kainin, Nikki. Kinain mo?
Nikki, wag mo kainin.
Pwede ba? Huwag mo kainin. Pwede ba? Brown.
You just gonna stuck mo lang sa bibig mo.
Go.
Because that's a challenge.
17.
Oh God, Nikki!
Oh my God, kaka-birthday niya lang.
Oh my gosh, friends ba talaga kayo, Nikki? What are you doing? Yan po, dito po matitest kung
Oh, 17 man.
if your friend mo is
Totoo.
totoo, if she or he knows
Stuck
you.
lang sa mata.
Okay, do it. So, the third question is, what is my favorite food?
Ang tagal po. Hindi ko. Oh, tama na.
You have to speak Tagalog.
What's that?
Okay, let me see that.
Wait! Go.
Let me see that. Afritada. Burger. Oh God. You guys, mali kayong dalawa.
Ano pala?
Favorite ko. Gosh, my favorite food is any kind of food but spicy.
Paminan to.
Remember, I love spicy food. So, mali kayong dalawa. So, next question. Ito, same to sila but different. Ano yung pinaka-hate ko na food? Okay na? Let me see it.
Carbonara.
Oh, wow! Correct lang dalawa, wow. Okay, correct. Next question. Sino bias ko sa BTS? Disclaimer. Hindi ko sila fan ng K-pop.
So, mag-mention ka na lang ng ano ng BTS.
Sige.
Alam ko.
Ah,
Pag-mention ka, sige. Pag-mention ka, di ko kasi sila kilala.
idiot. All this time, you keep entering my phone. Andyan lang naman yung ano ko, di ba? Go!
Taeyong. Taeyong! Like, Taeyong?
Yeah, it's Taeyong.
Oh my God, wala akong answer, hindi ko alam.
Oh, you're wrong. No. Bawal siya, bawal. Bawal mo siya lulukin. So, next question. What is my favorite movie?
Ay, movie?
Yeah.
F mo talaga yung nag-start ba?
Let me see it. Di ko alam.
Zero version.
Zero Burgess. God!
S.
Zero Burgess is a loser. No. Favorite movie ko is Sucker Punch.
Tama.
Alam niyo yung Sucker Punch? Kayo, alam niyo yung Sucker Punch? Of course you don't.
Lol.
So you have to pick. Okay na? Parang ano lang yung alaman nila. Hindi nagkakalayo. So, let's move on to the next question. What do I always wear? Short or pants? Like, napaka-easy nito. What is that? Let me see it.
Pants.
Shorts. Oh God! I love wearing shorts.
Kala kong mali.
I love wearing shorts. Yung, ikaw yung mali ka Nikki. Napupuno na ba? Let me see it. Pagkita mo sa camera.
No way.
Pagkita mo yung chicks mo sa camera. So, move on to the next question. Ito, napakahirap, I know. Only my closest friend, ang nakakaalam nito. Anong size ng paa ko? Tapos na? Are you done? Let me see it.
Size 10.
They got both. They got the both correct. Next question. What is my favorite school subject? You know, I love school. I love school. It's like a second vagina to me. What's my favorite school subject?
Math.
Let me see it.
Wala.
Wala.
Wala siyang favorite subject. Kasi pag nasa school kami, natutulog na rin siya palagi. Lol.
Lol, yeah, she's right. wala pa ako ng favorite school subject because you know, school sucks. What is my dream job? What is my dream job?
Fuck.
Are you done?
Yeah.
Let me see it. Civil engineer, lawyer.
Doctor.
Oh God, Nikki! So you think gusto ko maging doctor? Mali na naman po siya.
Wait.
Nikki!
Ang bobo niya sa math pero gusto siya maging engineer.
Yeah. Diba? Wala namang mali ang masama sa mga harap, diba? Dream high, idiots.
Next question.
Next about kayo. Sino bias ko sa Twice? Twice is a K-pop. Okay, hindi nyo alam.
Alam ko. Mention.
Nayon, Dayon, Gio or... Yun, tatlo lang. Nayon, Dayon, or Gio.
Ay, hindi ko pala alam. Huh? Mana? Tapos na.
Let me see it. Gio. No, mali kayong dalawa. Mali kayong dalawa. Bias ko sa Twice is si Nayon because she's so cute.
Yung naka-braces.
No, yung may rabbit tooth. Yeah. Okay, next question. Malapit na tayo matapos. Favorite cartoon movie? You guys, if you guys don't know, I love cartoons. What is my favorite cartoon movie? Tapos na? Let me see it.
Gumball.
Magpasya ng Gumball.
Uy! Nagawa ko!
No! I hate Gumball. Favorite ko is Adventure Time and Clarence. Nikki, Nikki, wag mo nguyain. You're cheating, wag mo nguyain. Oh, hinunguya mo. Sige na, eat.
Oh.
Balik ka dito. Okay, next question. What is my favorite fast food?
Go.
Let me see it.
Jollibee.
Jollibee.
Burger sa Jollibee, di ba?
Jollibee.
Oh.
I was asking for the fast food, not the fast food chain. Fast food, the food. Yo.
Go. Go, Nikki.
Nikki.
Nguyain mo na lang natin, eh.
Wag muna.
Uy, di good. Mas, ano ba daw? Seriously?
Okay. Ito. If I won VIP ticket to any artist, who would it be? Idiot, why are you thinking? You don't know.
Concert?
Yeah. VIP ticket to any concert. Who would it be? I'm asking for artist, okay?
Artist?
Yeah. Who would it be? Show them.
Lady Gaga.
Actually, di naman nababasa. Sino kaya?
Lady Gaga. Lady Iris.
Oh God, it's Lady Gaga.
My God.
Okay, next question. What is my all-time favorite candy? What is it? Do you remember? What is it?
Nerds.
Nerds. That. You have the same answer.
Pero paglas eh. Mac Nober.
What are you talking about? Anong laseng? Matubag mo din
Lumindol guys, lumindol.
Really? No, it's just a trap. Okay. Saan ako mas na-attract? Boy or girl?
Of course.
Say it.
Bisexual. Soccer. Boy!
Oh my gosh, you guys are wrong.
Huh?
Mas nakaka ako, diba, sa girl? Remember?
Sure ka?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Oh.
Ito kasing baklang to. Pabago-bago ng isip. Minsan lalaki, minsan babae.
Last question. Ano ba talaga ako? Bisexual or gay? Gay or bisexual? Let me see it.
Gay.
See it.
Gay. Bisexual!
She's right. She's correct. What?
Sinabi mo bakla ka talaga.
Did I?
Yes.
No.
Yan yung pinag-awayan nyo. Kasi sabi niya, gusto niya na bisexual ka. Tang inang to.
No!
Chantal.
No! I'm bisexual, idiot.
Alam mo bakla. Sabi mo.
Where, are you mad?
No. Pabagong-bago yung isip niya. Hindi ko na talaga alam.
Alam. So, as you can see, pagkita niya sa harap, sa camera. Sino mas pinaka-chubby chick? Siya yung talo.
Ako hindi picture, bitchit ko doon. Ako man talaga.
So, ako na mag-decide sino yung talo. It's...
Kinain niya kasi. No more, wala. Kinain niya.
Nikki! Nikki, kasi lagi mong mali-mali yung mga answers mo. So, yeah. So, yeah, yun na yun. Yun na yun. Tapos na yung challenge. So, So, ang nanalo is si Chantal, which is my best friend. And, yeah. I guess we're done. So, subscribe to my channel, you guys. And also, follow me on all my social media accounts. Ano na yun sa description below. And dito na sa mga here or here. What is that? Notification bell. Oh, she's teaching me. Tap the notification bell. Yeah. So, tap the notification bell for you to get notified of all my videos, of all my new videos, new every uploads. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. You guys are so amazing. You guys are doing great. You guys are so cute. Thank you so much. I love you guys so much. So much. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. Thank you so much.